Well, my wife and I started this company in 1983, and our first truck when we started was a 1965 Peterbilt transfer, 335 Cummins and a 5 and a 4. We've pretty much stuck with Peterbilts ever since, and we've built a great business with a lot of good employees. We run about 170 employees, and we've just been very blessed and so successful over the years. We're known in the market for excavating, grading, paving. We can build subdivisions pretty much start to finish. We do all our own paving, do all our own trucking, and we do a lot of Caltrans work, a lot of county work, municipalities, and a lot of private work. The vision I have for our company in the future is for the next generation to take it over. My son is heavily involved. He's the vice president. He's my right-hand man, and we're gonna keep her going as long as we possibly can. He will take it over, and hopefully the next generation after that will take it over. We value our relationship with Dobbs Peterbilt. They're great people. They are people of their word. They just have given us great service. That's why we keep going back to Peterbilt. A large majority of our truck fleet are Peterbilt. We have Peterbilt transfer trucks, super dumps, end dumps, low bids, water trucks, mechanic trucks, welder trucks. Peterbilt really services and takes care of all of our needs. I always tell my people, contractors and truckers like us are a dime a dozen. You have to sell your service, your honesty, your integrity, and that means a lot. And that's what you will also get at Dobbs Peterbilt. Great people to work with.